wonderful souls, and welcome to day 2 of the Maldives series Jeeves Travel Edition. We're at the SAii Lagoon Maldives Curio Collection by Hilton, and we're spending 3 nights here. Our first day was filled with excitement of traveling here to one of my dream destinations and has 7 incredible tips to help you save money in Maldives, irrespective of your resort of choice. I've linked the part 1 of my Maldives series down in the description box below. Don't miss it! What a bright sunny day it is, and we're here at the Sensation Beach Club for a buffet breakfast. This place is just so pretty with all the infinity pool and ocean view. Let's just see what all options we have for breakfast. The number of vegetarian options we have here is pretty impressive. Also, everything looks delicious. There's also a live counter right here for some really good smelling pancakes and other stuff. I mean, the continental options here, hello! Definitely getting those carbs in. Can't wait to dive in. I am a little too excited. And this view, are you kidding me? Ta-da! And hopefully getting some more after finishing this. Sorry, how much Nutella is too much Nutella? So if you watch the series, you know that we spent our first night here at the beach room and it was honestly so dreamy and serene. May I just say, waking up to this clear blue water was such a treat to our eyes and soul. Spending the last few minutes outside our beach room enjoying the tranquility of the waves hitting the shore before we move. This is exactly the kind of Monday blues that we all want, isn't it? And it's time to say bye-bye to the beach room. Let's go, let's go! Super stoked to explore the rest of the resort. Yeah, I got tired too quickly. So we took the buggy and we're headed straight to the water villa. The resort is quite massive and so you can either walk around, take a buggy or even cycle around if you want to. And they've got bicycle stands everywhere so you can park them and it's pretty convenient. Oh my god! I think my heart just skipped a beat. No camera can possibly do justice to this place. Oh, it's just so pretty. And we're finally here at the OVERWATER Villa. The different shades of blue of the water and the sky will just make your day. I'm definitely done waiting. It's finally time for the OVERWATER Villa room tour, baby! Oh my goodness! Okay, so this is the entryway. Our luggage just got here, so that's that. And as we enter, there's a seating area here with really stylish chairs. Okay, we'll get to the outdoors later. This is the master bed. Loving the cushion sacks here. They're adorable. But I had to move this one. It took away all my attention. Alright, I'm back. And here is the extra bed, which is in fact very innovative because there's a wonderful window view here as well as here. How cool is that? Then from here, moving on to the highlight, there's a direct ocean view from the bed. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness, are you ready? I can't stop smiling. Just look at that. Hands down the best outdoor deck I've ever been to. It's just so beautiful. Now let me quickly show you the rest of the bedroom before we head outside to explore more. And here to the right we have the bathroom. The details of this place are just so aesthetic. As we enter, there's an open closet here. Some life jackets and pretty throw pillows up there. The door to the toilet. And this is the gorgeous set of mirrors. Oops, sorry. Turns out the thing in the middle is actually a window, so you get to see the beautiful view while you get ready. Anyway, moving on. There are some bathrobes here. And again, we have a direct entry to go outside from the bathroom. Isn't that so amazing? Wow! Oh, and we do have a shower head right there. But seriously, wow! Now let me show you the rest of the outdoor area because it's just so pretty. There's a nice lounging area here, but first I've got to go down the staircase. If you can't tell, I am very excited about this. A straight private entry to the ocean? Oh yes, it's perfect. I'm truly living my cinematic life here with the wind blowing the curtains and everything. Now let me show you the seating area here. We have some sun loungers here to sit and relax. Love it. And then here we have the outdoor bathtub. Yes, please. And finally, the net. Wow! Comment down below what you like best in this beautiful villa tour. Cue that villa tour montage. After settling into our rooms and relaxing for a bit, we went ahead to check off one of my dream to do things, and that was to ride a cycle here. So yes, living my life. Honestly, if this was exercising, I'd do it all day every day. It was so free with the breeze in your hair, the never-ending blue water. The entire experience was so refreshing. These paths are honestly pretty wide, so there isn't too much of a risk to cross buggies or so. But yes, you can definitely take it to one of the inside crossings to not risk falling off. We're now heading to Crossroads to grab some lunch at Kebab and Curry, which is one of the Indian restaurants here. Right outside the restaurant is the country's first luxurious yacht docking harbour. So yes, you get to enjoy this gorgeous view while enjoying a delicious meal, exclusively at the Marina Crossroads. I was a little too hungry to film anything, but yep, here are some pictures of the place. After that filling, delicious meal, we're heading back to our villa to spend the rest of the day there. We took a dip in the ocean and spent some time watching the beautiful water and the sunset. I obviously had to give myself a fancy experience with that outdoor bathtub. Come on! And with that view, it was just perfect. Just some bubble bath and some me time. Taking full advantage of staying at the OVERWATER villa, and because the water was so warm, took another swim once the sun was down. It was a really exciting experience and I was low-key hoping to bump into a few sharks or so. Well, that did happen, but it was totally worth it. Finally decided to get off the water and dress up for the evening. If you haven't figured it out already, I'm a dramatic person, clearly. I mean, what else do you do when you're ready and waiting for everyone else to finish? That's right, dance. Finally headed out for the evening for a candlelight dinner. We're back at Kebab and Curry. Yup, it's the same restaurant where we had lunch because the food was just so delicious and there were a ton of options, so we wanted to try them all. Plus, the dining setup by the water in the evening was just so lovely. Ending the day under a clear sky full of stars and over the water, watching all those fishes and listening to the water splashes. This entire day, without doubt, is a dream come true. And that brings us to the end of part 2 of the Maldives series and my second night here. I really hope you enjoy the video and the villa tour. Please show your support by liking this video and of course subscribe if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video because I have some super exciting content coming for you. Stay tuned for part 3 coming very soon.